Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. Arpita Sarma and the Janitva IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
U General Secretary Kaseng United Democratic Party UDP ubak Tita Starwell Khan ulang bagi UDP bat ke HSPDP dan sesong Jingiateh banekran Sani Biang la ka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA kandang ne-em. Kini kejengkeran kawan namar bagi HSPDP kebujukersan ki UDP haki election MP ke belalai. Kalau ada pendapat bakam tere asyuk penkersan ki UDP hakan ki election sedang samoi menjadi UMP syekul Lok Sabha nak Shillong parliamentary seat. Uba Tita Sarwell Khan ula penpau bahadian kene ka election sedang samoi menjadi UMP ki senggen sasyong lang banrai ladadan kanuk no kejingi perjingmut ne kejing bam yes ngutho bha banrai lada kendang beteng ne penkut no kejingi trelang jongki hapo ke RDA. Uba Tita Starwell Khan uliatho bawa ke HSPDP kalau ada pendapat ba aklat partai kubor bahkan kersan cho ya unu ne kanuk keseng hakan election sedang samoi banjir UMP. HSPDP kampat semlaai kanuk kejing pentip da kejing tho ke UDP. Namar kata ke UDP kadang up ya ka Jingiateh kenang banla ban pen scam kalau jeng ke RDA hadien beladap ke election sedang samoi.
Later on when we will have a joint meeting between HSPDP and UDP. Maybe after the MP by-election, so we will sit across the table and sort out if there is any misunderstanding, or we will decide whether we will continue or we will discontinue. That we will take after the by-election. Yes, they have not given the return to us, but they have declared publicly in the statement that they will not support anyone, anybody.